for a football-loving Do Disco! Let's start with move 1 and make a football. That's what you need to play football, don't you? A football! So let's make a football. Yeah! I want to score a goal. Can you kick it? Make sure you pass the ball from one player to another. Missed. Move 2. Now let's get on the pitch with those players. Squash, squeeze. Oh. Let's give it a Hulk smash. Over to the other side. Hulk smash. But football pitches are really smooth, so give it a rub down. Stomp the divots. And let's get the players on the pitch. Jordan Pointer Pickford, he's on. He's the goalie. He stays here and he's ready to catch the ball. Catch it, Jordan Pointer Pickford. Yay! He saved it. Over to the other side. Where's Jordan Pointer Pickford on this side? Saving the goal. Don't let the goal in the net, Jordan Pointer Pickford. Yay! He saved it. Next up is Toby Tall, aka Harry Maguire. Harry Maguire is a defender. Who's this coming up next to him? 2 defenders on the pitch. That's right, it's Luke Shaw and Harry Maguire. Don't let them through, Harry and Luke. Yay! Over to the other side. Here's Toby Tall, aka Harry Maguire, defending the pitch against the other team. Who's that coming up with Harry? Yes, it's Ruby Rig, but really it's Luke Shawfingers. Save the day, boys. Now for the striker. Let's make it Baby Small, aka Marcus Rashford. He's got the ball. He's running down the pitch. Make your fingers into a goal. Yay! Marcus Rashford scores. Over to the other side. Let Baby have a turn at being Marcus Rashford. Make your goal. Are you ready? Here's Marcus. He's got the ball. He's running down the Do Disco pitch. Boom! Yay!